Hi guys, quick intro. I forgot to mention this in the video. So the trainings that you'll get access to, if you're interested, they will not be supported. So if there's any issues, broken videos, crackly videos, PDFs don't open, this is old stuff that I've not looked at for many years. So it's find it as you take it, or take it as you find it, I think the phrase is. However, if below this video there's lots and lots of the same kind of questions, so please do like this video, add your questions below. Then maybe we'll get together sometime, or I'll answer the questions on a video, or see if I can do a live call or something like that. All right, but there is no support. I will, if you ask for support in terms of the quality or all of that, please don't think I'm being rude, but I will have to say no. Okay, thanks very much. Hey guys, Brian Parnell here. I've been a bit slack on the video production of late, mainly because I've been extremely busy in my business and helping other people with their businesses, mainly friends and stuff, and then this whole crypto bull market's got me a bit excited. So yeah, but anyway, I was cleaning out some old cloud data from the cloud, stuff that is old and not needed anymore, or trying to find photos of the kids and all that kind of stuff that needs to be done probably once every couple of years, not once every 10 years. So I stumbled across both my tube takeover training videos and the simple press release training videos from 2012 or whatever, 2013, whenever they were. Now obviously they're old, okay, not everything's going to be relevant, but I'm sure there's still going to be some stuff in there that you might find useful. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, if you want it, I'm going to upload it to Google Drive, because I've got loads and loads of data on Google Drive. So if you want it, just click the link below this video and you'll be able to download it. I will ask you just to input your best email address, because I'll be emailing the link to that email address. Okay, so make sure it's a real one. And yeah, that's it. Cheers. So that's Tube Takeover, and also it is simple press release. So Tube Takeover, I think this is the main one. These are the main videos for that training. And then we've got simple press release, which if I bring this page over, just seems to be there's a lot more in here, even the expert course and some case studies. Okay, obviously there's going to be some more spammy stuff in here that like using SE Nuke and GSA and all that kind of stuff. I don't do that anymore with ranking my stuff. I still use PBNs and guest posts and citations where relevant, and basically just reverse engineer the competitions, see what they're doing. So yeah, just let me know if this is something that you would like. All right, cheers then, bye bye. Totally for free, nothing, no cost. Cheers.